Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you what you can do when you put in the wrong delivery address details in your TEMU order. So you place an order with the wrong address details. Now it's a very easy process, let's get straight into it. The first thing, of course, open up your preferred browser and head down to the TEMU website. Now, once you're in the TEMU website, sign in to the account where you've placed the order. Now, from there, we go to the top right where it says orders and accounts. We open this up and here we see our order where we've just placed and we want to change this address. Now, look to the order and see what it is. From there, we go down to the support tab right here, press it, and here you see the order you've just made. And here you can contact the information. Now here you have a load of options to choose from, but the thing that we want is we want to contact the TEMU support. So simply press contact us, and here what you can do is say to TEMU, hello, I accidentally placed this order on the wrong address. And what you can do is press enter and go into the chat with TEMU to change the order name. Now from there you can get the correct delivery address to TEMU and they will solve the problem for you. Now it's a very easy process. Explain them what happened and they will help you. Now, if this tutorial has helped you, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.